Ever found yourself at a salon, spa, or fitness studio, ready to pay for that rejuvenating massage, fresh haircut, or invigorating workout, only to wonder, what payment methods do they even accept here? It's a common thought, isn't it? In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king, especially when it comes to transactions. Businesses need to cater to a diverse clientele, each with their preferred way of settling up. And for those businesses leveraging the powerful capabilities of Vagaro, knowing the ins and outs of their payment processing is absolutely crucial. Vagaro isn't just a booking platform. It's a comprehensive business management solution designed for beauty, wellness, and fitness professionals. From scheduling appointments and managing client information to marketing and, of course, processing payments, Vagaro aims to streamline operations and enhance the customer experience. But the question remains, in a landscape filled with countless payment options, what does Vagaro actually accept? Are you limited to just traditional card payments? Or is there more flexibility than meets the eye? Understanding Vagaro's payment acceptance is vital for both business owners and their clients. For owners, it means being able to cater to a wider audience, minimize friction at checkout, and ultimately boost revenue. For clients, it translates to a seamless, stress-free payment experience, allowing them to focus on enjoying their service rather than scrambling for the right payment method. So, let's dive deep into the world of Vagaro payments. We're going to break down every major payment method Vagaro supports, discuss the nuances of each, and even touch upon some of the advanced features that make Vagaro's payment processing truly stand out. Get ready to unlock a comprehensive understanding of how transactions flow within the Vagaro ecosystem. First and foremost, let's talk about the bedrock of modern payments: credit and debit cards. Vagaro offers robust support for major credit and debit card networks. This includes, but isn't limited to, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Whether your client is swiping, inserting their EMV chip, or tapping their contactless card, Vagaro's integrated payment processing, often through its own merchant services, handles these transactions smoothly. This direct integration means faster processing times, competitive rates for businesses, and a unified system for managing all financial data. For businesses in the United States, signing up for Vagaro's credit card processing allows them to accept these card payments seamlessly, with funds typically deposited into their bank account within 1 to 2 business days. This also opens up the possibility of ordering free credit card readers, making in-person transactions even more efficient. These readers support not only physical cards but also mobile payment options like Apple Pay and Google Pay, bringing us to our next major category. Mobile payments are increasingly popular, offering a quick, secure, and convenient way for customers to pay. Vagaro embraces this trend by supporting both Apple Pay and Google Pay. When integrated with Vagaro's compatible card readers, customers can simply tap their smartphone or smartwatch to complete their transaction. This is a huge win for customer satisfaction, as many people now prefer to leave their physical wallets at home and rely solely on their mobile devices for payments. The speed and security of these tap-to-pay options make the checkout process incredibly efficient. Beyond digital and card-based payments, Vagaro understands that traditional methods still have their place. That's why they also facilitate the acceptance of cash and checks. While these might seem a bit old school in a digital age, they remain important for many businesses and clients. Vagaro's system allows you to accurately record cash and check payments within the platform, ensuring that your financial reports are complete and your books are balanced, even if the transaction isn't processed through their credit card services. This is crucial for comprehensive financial tracking and reconciliation. Now, let's talk about a game changer for both businesses and clients: Vagaro Pay Later. This feature allows customers to make a purchase now but pay for it in installments. Think of it as an in-house buy now, pay later option. For businesses, this can significantly increase sales and average transaction values, as clients can afford higher-priced services or packages. For customers, it provides financial flexibility, making premium services more accessible. Vagaro Pay Later transactions can be paid entirely through the installment plan or split with other payment methods like a credit card, cash, or gift card, offering maximum flexibility. Speaking of gift cards, Vagaro also fully supports the redemption of gift cards. This is a fantastic way for businesses to attract new clients and retain existing ones. Whether it's a physical gift card purchased at the front desk or an e-gift card bought online, Vagaro's system integrates seamlessly to allow for easy redemption at checkout. This not only simplifies the process for the client, but also ensures accurate tracking of gift card balances and redemptions for the business. Furthermore, for businesses offering membership programs or packages, Vagaro enables the redemption of membership visits and package visits at checkout. This means that if a client has prepaid for a certain number of services or has an active membership that covers their current visit, Vagaro's system will automatically recognize and apply those credits. This streamlines the checkout process, avoiding any confusion about what's covered by a membership or package, and ensures a smooth, professional experience for the client. Vagaro also offers flexibility when it comes to split payments. Imagine a scenario where a client wants to pay for their service using a combination of methods, perhaps a portion with a gift card and the remainder with a credit card, or even splitting the cost between two different credit cards. Vagaro's system is designed to handle these split transactions effortlessly. This adaptability is key to accommodating diverse customer preferences and ensuring that no sale is lost due to payment inflexibility. And what about those situations where a client might not have the full payment on hand, but you want to ensure the transaction is recorded? Vagaro allows for the issuance of an IOU as a form of payment. While not a direct payment method in itself, it's a crucial accounting tool that allows businesses to track outstanding balances. This can be particularly useful for managing partial payments or special arrangements with trusted clients, ensuring that all financial commitments are properly documented within the system. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.